What's up? What's up?
Come on.
No, it's not cold. Aww. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, that's a little cold. No. Good boy. It's okay. Good boy, baby. Good boy. No. He's like, Mom, that's cold. Mom, that's really cold. I'm not kidding. Hang on, don't run. Don't run. Now it's for the tricky part. We have to do the head. Okay, ready? Hold these ears down. Okay, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Aww.
I love you. I know, I know.
Okay, babe, will you turn off the water? Or I'll turn it off.
Let's get the baby all sudsy. Come here.
Oh, he looks so cute.
You're gonna get all dirty, boy. Okay, now's the nice part. This is the good stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good. He's like, I don't understand you people. That just smells good.
You smell like a clean boy.
Okay. You gotta do that little head. Get those ears. Get those floppy ears. You gotta get your little face. Oh, and your neck. You're right. We gotta get your neck. Silly Mom. Silly Mom. I almost forgot my neck, Mom.
I almost want to take him in the shower to do it in warm water now.
Yeah. You gotta get your tail still, don't we?
He's like, why are you letting them do this to me, Uncle Alex? Why are you letting them do this to me?
Watch his ears. I'm sorry, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey. It's okay. That's okay. It's okay, boss. It's okay.
Want to go put him in the shower? Yeah. Go start the shower water.
It's okay, boss. I'm sorry. That water's cold, huh? I know. Come here, baby. It's okay. I got you. It's okay. We're gonna go get you in some warm water. I know. Come on. Let's go. Even when that water's cold, it couldn't be much colder than that water, huh? Come on, that boy.
It's just warm.
Okay. There we go. Is that better? That's a warm shower.
Do we already have a towel?
Let me get it. There you go. Oh, is that better?
Yeah, that water was just too cold for him. Look how he's very happy now. Okay, you have to put your head down. There you go. There you go. That's it. That's it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's it. There you go. Good boy, Gregor. That's it. Good
That's
boy.
it.
Make sure we got all that off from your tummy. There we go. Good boy. Good boy, Gregor. Another toe. Oh, you smell good, boy. Better? He's like, Mom, don't like when you do that. Don't like it when you do that, Mom.
Hi! Yeah, you're a clean boy.
Yes, my puppy. Yes, my puppy boy. My clean puppy boy. That's a clean boy. Huh? Whee! Yay! Yay! Jump off. Jump. 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 Come here. I need a clear. Aww. Jump. Jump. Jump.
Oh, he's almost there.
Good boy. Jump. Clean those ears. Clean those ears. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay! Yay! Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
It's not our bed anymore, babe.
It's really not.
It's really not.